Hello, estimators. How are you today? Today we talk about some commercial buildings. Now I have started the new thing. We will go to some commercial buildings and know how we can do the estimation of the commercial buildings. So, if you like my video, kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. Let's start from today. This is a commercial plan in which you have ground floor, basement, ground floor, first floor, and then the roof part. Okay, so if you can see, so here's the one part. Okay, so you can take lots of things from here, like you can calculate the what type of flooring over here. Okay, what are the appliances over here, what are the tiling over here, what are the frames also. You can calculate the frame material from this drawing also. Okay, like the outer frame, the inner frame, and all in that. Okay, and you can calculate your fixing material, that which door is of this, like this one is of LHS lift off hinges, this one is LHS uh, hinge and latch door. Okay, so these kind of stuff you can take from here. But as you know that in commercial drawings there is a big difference, because sometimes you see like they have here are too much of kitchens, like this is a kitchen. Okay, so there is also kitchen like one, two, three, three on the like this basement area. Okay, and then like one, two, three, four, five, six, okay, seven, eight, and on the next floor, this is nine, 10, okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So, as you can see, there are a lot of kitchens over here. Okay, now what they generally actually when they prepare these drawings, they create a common legend in a single page, like this one. They have mentioned the types of kitchen in the building. There is type A kitchen plan. Okay, there is type B. Okay, and here is type C. Okay, and here is type D, and kitchen type D elevations are here. Okay, and type E, then it's a type D plan area. Okay, then how it will look like. Okay, and this. Now what you have to match in this, you have to match that which kitchen is matching with this area. Okay, so you have to like calculate, if you want to calculate like tiles, joinery. Okay, type of which type of oven is there here. Okay, what is the cooktop, what is the refrigerator. Okay, what are the shelves. If you want to calculate these things, you just have to calculate, like if I have to calculate, then suppose I have to calculate that cooktop and oven. Okay, so I will just mark there is one cooktop, one oven, and one cooktop. If you can check in all drawing, one cooktop and one oven, that is simply easy. Okay, so you can know that this is your base sink. Okay, sink with the tapware, so you can calculate the sink and tapware also. And these are also very easy. You can calculate the joinery also. Okay, that what is the joinery. Okay, and you can calculate that from here. And here you have tile splashback. This is the vertical tile. Okay, these tiles are here, so you can calculate the tiles also. Now the big part is like you have to measure only these four or five types of kitchen, and you just mark them in your drawing. Okay, how how you can get the materials from there. Like if you can see, here's the kitchen. In this kitchen, the fridge is here, the cooktop is here, and the sink is here, and here is the place left, both sides. So now it's time for you to match. Like this doesn't match. If you can see, your refrigerator is here and his refrigerator is, so this is not your part. Okay, this is not your kitchen right now over here. But if you look at this, here you have a storage. Storage matches storage. Here is the cooktop. Here is the cooktop. Here is the your sink. Here is the sink. Here is the refrigerator, and here is the pantry. So if you can check that it's an plan B. Okay, so you can take it as, you can count it as your like type B kitchen in one. Okay, similarly this is the one kitchen, and if you come here you can check they both are not similar. Just check it, they both are not similar. Why? Because the cooktop is here and the sink is here, but here is different. The cooktop is here and the sink is here, but rest of the things are there, same as your type B plan. Okay, so what we will go here and we can check like this one. Here is your type C. This is the type C kitchen. So one is type B and one is type C. As you say, this is a pantry, normal pantry. Then there is a sink. This is a cooktop, and this is a cooktop. This is a fridge space, refrigerator space, and here's the storage. So you can check. This is type B and this is type C. So you have one type B and one type C of the your kitchen is here, so you can calculate the things from here. So if you can go to this place, so here is, if you can check, here's the cooktop with the refrigerator. Okay, so I think so this will be the, yeah, this is the thing. Here is the pantry and all in that this match. Now you have two type C kitchen and one type B kitchen, okay, in this floor. So you calculate the things from here and you just multiply with them, multiply the things with the things available in the drawing like this. And here you can see that like if this floor is consist of lots of kitchens, so you have to match each and every kitchen with this. Like this is the refrigerator, cooktop, okay, and this is the thing. So it's again, if you can check, it's with the cooktop, okay, the pantry, the refrigerator, the cooktop, and the this one is here. And now there is a small difference, what is the difference? Because what I am watching in this, if you can check that this difference is, let us see, where is the cooktop with the refrigerator? Here's the cooktop with the refrigerator. Okay, so in this is the type C, but as you can see, this is very nearest to the this place. This is very far from this place. This says type C, but there is some amendment over here. So that is not mentioned here. Okay, if you can check, that is, this is the another type, and this is the another type. This is the another type, and this is the another type. So you can check like this. If you find, now I can say that if you match, like just match, we will match the things to confirm the sure the thing. This kitchen's this side is 3250. So now what we will do, we will just measure that this side has the same length. This side, if you can check, that is 3250. Yeah, this matches. Okay. Sometimes you got confused for this. Okay. Sometimes I also got confused, but we have to cross check these things that this is there or not. You know, like if you go for this place here, here is your total is 3742. Okay, you can finally get the values from here and you can cross check that everything is good or not. If you have any issue, you can report to the architect for this, that we have some issue, there is a small difference because it's a 42 mm, maybe my scale was not good, I'm bad in that, sometimes, not every time, but sometimes. So kindly ignore that mistake. Okay. So similarly, you can see this is the same. Okay. And in this case, if you can check, this is the kitchen we are talking about. Now, the same thing will be applied on your other things. Other things like if you can go to your washrooms. I think so. We don't have the perfect drawings of washroom, maybe, or maybe not. Sorry, I don't have that drawing here. No problem. I will just take that drawing for the next part. Okay. Right now, the my basic question is and basic things are you can get calculate like flooring. You can calculate from here. Like this is your timber flooring. Everybody knows who do the estimate like you guys do. Okay. This is the lift lobby and this is the place where you can see there are tiles. There are tiles. There are tile shower. Okay. This is the washing machine. This is the this is the basin. Okay, here is one laundry, small trough also, like this place. Okay, so like this one. Okay, and so that is for today only. I'll just give you some overviews of how commercial drawings you will get in Australia, and you can use them. Okay, for getting the material out of them. Like from there, here you can calculate the bricks. Okay, we have the heights and all are available in the elevations. I haven't opened the elevation this time, but later on I will tell you how you can calculate the bricks and all and that in such kind of commercial building. So that's a short overview on commercial drawings. So if you guys like my work, kindly do share, subscribe my channel, and if you guys have, I already told you in my previous series of multi-story units, okay, unit sites to dwelling, that if you have some drawings I can do 5 cost free of cost for you guys. Okay, but just you have to give me the consent for the drawings. Okay, so that this is the actually my basic overview is to give you the knowledge. Okay, so thank you and kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel for this. Thanks a lot.